K, L, M, N is square of sides 4. O and P are midpoints of sides L, M, and N, M. Find the area of quadrilateral K, P, M, O. So we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. So how we do this? We know that we have given square and the side is 4. So we have here 4 and 4. What else? We have that P and O are midpoints. So midpoint, it means that point A divide side ML to 2 equals sides. So 4 divide, because we have given that this is 4, divide by 2 equal sides will be 2. So we have here 2. The segment LO is 2 and OM is also 2. The same will be with segment NM. P is midpoint, so the side of square is 4. So we divide this side to 2 equals part. So NP is 2 and PM is also 2. What else? Because we have given square here, so it means that angle L is right angle and M is also right angle. So how we find the area of this quadrilateral? We will find the area of square because we have given side, and we have 2 right triangles, the same right triangles, exactly the same. The sides are 4 and 2, 4 and 2, and we have right angles between 4 and 2. So to find area of quadrilateral K, P, M, O, we will subtract from area of our square area of 2 triangles. This we can write in parentheses. Area of triangle KLO and area of triangle KNP. So this is equal. What else? Like I said, these 2 triangles are the same. So we can write that this is area of square minus 2 area, and you choose which triangle you want. Let's put 2 times triangle KLO. So this is equal area of square. We have given sides, so area of square will be 4 times 4, so this is 4 square minus 2 times area, and I choose this triangle. How we calculate the area of triangle? Right triangle. We have given the base and we have given the height, so this is 1/2 times base is 4 times height is 2. So this is equal 16 minus 4 to second power is 16. We have multiplication in parentheses, so we can take down the parentheses, and 2 with 2 we can reduce. So we have minus 4 times 2 is 8. So this is equal 16 minus 8 is 8. We found the area of this quadrilateral inside this square. So this is 8 square units. This is my solution.